Hey guys, Flashman's back. Nothing new to do, just playground and capture videos. Capture videos are on Wednesday now, so right. So I'm still gonna do Skylander videos on Saturday. I'll be walking to my local GameStop, get a little exercise, and try to lose all this fat. Maybe not the fat. That was kind of embarrassing. But I'm just gonna be stuck around here doing nothing, and probably later tomorrow I might just eat this. It's a Filipino brownie. It's still brownie, but it's Filipino. Well, I'm just gonna keep doing more stuff as I keep doing it, and I'm just gonna hang up for a little bit, and yeah, I'll do more updates. Update videos might be on occasions, but no matter what. And also, maybe rare videos. Rare videos may include, me going to New York City and me going on the Philippines. That's right, I'm going to the Philippines this July. Yeah. So, I'm gonna take a lot of capture videos, upload it on YouTube, and see what you guys think. Alright, so thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Flashman out.